All right, so the time is now roughly, it's 10:24 p.m. Eastern. And I just not realized, but I'm just now jumping out of the bed to blow up these balloons for this balloon arch. So I know how much y'all love to see what I'm doing. This is the real, raw, and uncut. So I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this video, and I will let you guys see me do the installation tomorrow morning. Well, installing it, I really could blow the balloons there and install it there, but I don't have any events tomorrow, and this is a really last minute thing, more so a favor for a friend, and I want to just go ahead and get it done in the morning because I plan on going to the thrift store. If I do go to the thrift store and I see some event related stuff, I'll show y'all. If not, y'all will just see the balloon stuff. But stay tuned for the rest of this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload my videos, and make sure you share this content. I love y'all, and I thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all stay tuned. Right, so that didn't take any more than about 20 minutes, I think. So that's super time lapse. I'm not gonna speed it up as much as I normally would. But we're gonna head to get some breakfast right quick. And then I'm thinking we probably are gonna go to Hobby Lobby again because I wanna make sure I haven't looked over anything and I need to get the letters for the missing slugger and the little for the event that y'all for the event that y'all probably have or have not seen. And then I want to go back to that store that I saw with the party supplies. So y'all stick with me. This is gonna be one of those mix and match videos. Sheldon and baby, sweetie. They need a baby update, baby bump update. Okay, I'm coming. Turn to the side because that black make it look like, whoa. Throw your hand. All right, y'all. We are at Hobby Lobby. Or should I say Hobby Lobby? Let's see what they got in here. You ain't supposed to turn it. Record you. These are glass animals.
Look at the bacon.
These are
Oh. This is so cute. It's so little and cute. I love this color right here.
So like this is what I would have used for the one.
Oh, 36. Good God.
Yeah.
These some big balloons. I love these colors. I love these color. These color first. Colorful. Yeah, colorful.
This is where you would stick the letter in there.
What? Oh, make your own letters. That's neat.
Right. This is not the store to be touching stuff. Brick, look, my feathers.
Boy.
Oh, okay, this one. Look at big silver spoons. I like them.
Yeah.
I'm looking at stuff like what is it? Oh, you talking about these?
This is what I love. I love these ones.
I do too.
Big bird cake. Oh, and that. Well, I like the baby sound, Thomas. I didn't see that.
I think that's for rent. I just realized that first of all, I'm unboxing some stuff for these next two events. I didn't record it, I do apologize, but I want to show y'all my shoes. I bought some Skechers from Burlington Coat Factory, Burlington, maybe 2 years ago. I think I paid $30. I wear size 13 in men. They were black, and I got them because they didn't have laces on them, and because they are real comfortable. They had the foam in the bottom, but they kind of ran their course. And on Amazon, you can take a picture of your product and you can scan it, and it'll find the exact same thing for you if they have it available online. So I want to show y'all these shoes. And I'll probably put the link in the description box of this video so you can kind of shop around yourself if you do events. I just think they're real comfortable. Sometimes I do events and I don't even notice that I really had to do them unless I had a lot of heavy lifting and stuff to do. But my feet don't ever tell on me. They've been telling on me recently because the shoes have really, I done got my money's worth out of them. And I think I paid $50 for these online, but the price fluctuates. So get them if you find them cheap. And I haven't even opened this box yet. Y'all excuse my kids in the background. These are the exact same ones like I have. Let me tell you something, they look a whole lot fresher than what I got now. But yeah, these are it. Size 13 in men. Y'all go get you a pair. And these are the Skechers Air Cool Memory Foam. I love them.